In the summer of 2011, I made two small drawings. They are thematically related. The first one is called Make More Spaceships, and it is a lament. The idea is that we are no longer making space vehicles which can take us to a space station or anything else for that matter. And the other drawing is called How to Get to Mars from My House. As a child, I was told in school that at some point in time, specifically the 1990s, we would have colonies on Mars and vacations on the moon, and I did count on that. I made a drawing about that back in 1990, so in some ways I guess I'm revisiting some old themes, but in this sense perhaps doing it with some different imagery. In the drawing Make More Spaceships, the bird image represents me. The drawing from actual specimens gives me the contrast of the representational to the imagined imagery. So in this drawing, I'm looking at a planetary location and thinking how I would like to go there. So make more spaceships. We live in an age that features the continuing discoveries of rock, Earth-like planets orbiting distant stars. Water, which is necessary for life as we know it, exists on the moon and Mars. As a boy, I was so fascinated with the idea of space travel, having seen the July 1969 landing on the moon on black and white TV. This fascination continues today as I approach these recent drawings with a childlike yet sophisticated drawing style. When we look back 100 years to the beginnings of human flight and fast forward to the present, and then project what the next century could bring, this is a topic that I have been interested in for some time. Sometimes I will diagram an idea for a drawing and list potential subject matter. In the drawing, How to Get to Mars from My House, once again, the bird skull images represent me. The skull on the right hovers above my house and studio, looking toward the orbits of Earth and Mars, and I'm thinking how to get there. The bird skull on the left hovers over a map originally drawn by my oldest daughter, diagramming for me how to get to the interstate from her house. In the late 1970s, the Viking space vehicles sent back to Earth our first on-the-surface images of Mars. I remember watching the Now color TV and how these images descended from the top to the bottom of the TV screen as if they were falling, and at the same time revealing these red rock landscape images from Mars. Mars is a place of interest, mystery, and meaning for me, so this is how to get to Mars from my house.